Public sector is composed of public services and public enterprises. It deals with huge volumes of data on day-to-day basis. As the data grows, data management, maintenance, and storage pose huge challenges in public sector. To securely store and manage data, public sector requires a seamless solution. As there exists multiple cloud providers, public sector faces challenges such as which cloud to choose from, cloud scalability, replicating legacy applications, data compliance, and workload downtime. Due to these challenges, public sector units refrain to move their on-prem workload to cloud environment. Cloud Intel, powered by Click2Cloud, is an assessment platform that helps public sector units in complete discovery and assessment of their on-prem workload. Cloud Intel combines the art and science to help you discover, assess, cloud compare, and orchestrate to gain insights, and provides a detailed graphical TCO report and migration timeline. Cloud Intel helps you in choosing the right cloud provider and cloud resources required to handle public sector workload. Get complete cloud readiness with detailed technical analysis of on-premises IT environment and workloads to move on cloud. Cloud Intel's security-first mindset helps you in performing assessment of infrastructure including data center, applications, and databases. Reap the benefits of Cloud Intel to get faster service delivery, adaptability, efficiency, security, and cost savings. Cloud Intel assessment platform can be used by every enterprise including finance, manufacturing, banking, and telecom. For more updates, stay tuned with Click2Cloud.com.